Samsung just did the unthinkable. They looked Apple dead in the eye, took their most anticipated secret project, and released it months before Apple could even step on stage to show it off. Hold on to your seats because everything we thought we knew about the smartphone wars just got completely rewritten. Samsung has officially dropped its brand new lineup for the year, and it is packing heat that changes the game entirely. We're looking at 3 brand new foldables and 2 killer smartwatches that are making the tech world lose its collective mind. Let's break down what just happened. Samsung didn't just refresh their phones. They shook up the entire playbook. We have the new Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, the standard Galaxy Z Fold 8 with a totally new shape, and the trendy Galaxy Z Flip 8. Plus, on the wearable side, we get the beastly Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 and the sleek Galaxy Watch 9. Let us start with the heavyweight champion of the traditional world, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. If you love the classic look of a Samsung foldable, this is your dream come true. It takes that exact tall, narrow form factor we have all gotten used to over the years and dials it up to an absolute maximum. On the inside, you are greeted with a massive, gorgeous 8-inch main display. Fold it shut, and you get a very familiar 6.5-inch cover screen. Samsung refused to hold back on the raw power here. Underneath that sleek glass, you will find the custom-tuned Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy. This is a processor built by Qualcomm specifically to handle heavy-duty tasks without breaking a sweat. You can spec this machine all the way up to a staggering 16 gigabytes of RAM and a full terabyte of storage. When it comes to the cameras, Samsung loaded this thing with a massive 200-megapixel main sensor. You also get a true 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and up to 30x base zoom to pull distant subjects right up to your eyes. Powering the whole package is a solid 5,000 milliamp hour battery. It is heavy, it is premium, and it gives the classic Fold fans everything they have ever asked for. It takes the Ultra name strictly because of its top-tier, no-compromise specifications. But as good as the Ultra is, it is not the phone that everyone is talking about. That title belongs to the standard Galaxy Z Fold 8. For years, people have whispered about Apple working on a secret device known as the iPhone Ultra. The rumors always pointed to a passport-style, passbook form factor, a device that feels like a normal phone on the outside and a small tablet on the inside, without that awkward near-square shape we have seen on traditional foldables. Samsung just beat Apple to the punch. They built that exact phone, and it is sitting on shelves right now. The standard Z Fold 8 completely changes the formula. When it is closed, you're looking at a 5.5-inch cover screen. It is shorter, fatter, and squarer. It is the exact width and feel that people have begged for from non-Chinese phone makers for years. You can use this outer screen all day long, just like a normal smartphone, without ever feeling like you're typing on a cramped TV remote. Then you unfold it. The inner screen expands to 7.6 inches, but the proportions are entirely different. Instead of a weird, awkward square, it reads like a proper little digital tablet. It feels remarkably close to an iPad mini. If you love reading articles, watching videos, or running split-screen multitasking apps, this form factor is the sweet spot. It is a normal phone when you want it, and a powerhouse tablet when you need it. Samsung has effectively given us a live preview of what the upcoming iPhone Ultra is rumored to look like later this year. They beat Apple to the punch in spectacular fashion. However, there's a catch. Because this is positioned as the standard model rather than the Ultra, it comes with a few compromises, especially in the camera department. You do not get that triple camera setup with a dedicated optical telephoto lens. Instead, you get a dual camera system featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. Any zoom you want to use beyond that is purely digital. It is an interesting trade-off, but the form factor alone might just make it worth it. Rounding out the phone lineup is the Galaxy Z Flip 8. This is the fun, stylish, and straightforward clamshell that everyone loves. It brings a gorgeous 6.9-inch main display paired with a massive 4.1-inch cover screen. Inside, it runs on a 50-megapixel main camera backed by a reliable battery. It comes in a wave of fun, trendy colors like pink, graphite, cream, and an exclusive online mint option. The standard Fold 8 gives you classy tones like lavender and pistachio, while the Ultra leans into moodier vibes with violet shadow and green shadow. Samsung's color game this year is exceptionally strong, but we have the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 in titanium at a rugged 47mm, and a standard Galaxy Watch 9 coming in 44 and 40mm sizes. First off, they kept the round watch face. There is something timeless about a circular watch that looks like a traditional timepiece, and Samsung nails it. More importantly, the health tracking on these watches is light years ahead. The active biosensor includes biological impedance analysis. That means these watches can read your exact body composition right from your wrist, telling you your body fat percentage, muscle mass, and water levels instantly. The Apple Watch still cannot do that. The Watch Ultra 2 also boasts a retina-scorching 5000 nit display, a rugged 10 ATM water resistance rating, a military-grade build, and a massive battery life that pushes up to 60 hours on a single charge. If you like this breakdown, make sure to subscribe to the channel, share this video with your tech-loving friends, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update.